Hey guys, just made this beautiful, amazing, good tasting soup. It's a Russian fish soup. Some people call it uha, and it's with salmon, potatoes, rice, carrots, onions, tomato. Very, very good tasting. We added cheese for good taste, and it's easy to cook. All you do is just um, cook onion with carrots first for 10 minutes and then add tomatoes, add water after 20 minutes, and then add fish and potatoes with rice, and then let it simmer for 10-15 minutes and it's ready to go. Beautiful uha soup. Приятного аппетита!